Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Ethereum from Bitrue to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto trading or just managing your assets, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring ETH like a pro, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Binance. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that you've enabled two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Ethereum balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Step 2. Select Withdraw for Ethereum. You'll need to choose the correct network. Stick with the Ethereum network to avoid any issues. Now, enter the amount of ETH you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those to ensure you're not sending more than you intend. Step 3. This is crucial. Paste in the deposit address from your Binance account. To get that, log into Binance, go to your wallet, select Ethereum, and copy the deposit address. Double-check it to prevent any irreversible mistakes. Step 4. Review the details, including the amount, fees, and destination address. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. After that, sit tight. Transactions on the Ethereum network can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop over to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the ETH has arrived. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, make sure to stay updated on any platform-specific changes. There you have it. Sending Ethereum from Bitrue to Binance is that straightforward. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.